Presently, how many Ramsar sites are in India as of February 2025? A. 88. B. 89. C. 90. D. 91. The answer is B. 89. World's Wetland Day is celebrated on A. January 2nd. B. February 2nd. C. March 2nd. D. April 2nd. The answer is B. February 2nd. What is the first biodiversity heritage site in Gujarat? A. Gift City. B. Inland mangrove in Kutch district's Guneri village. C. Surat. D. Ahmedabad. The answer is B. Inland mangrove in Kutch district's Guneri village. Nisar satellite is a joint project between which two organizations? A. NASA and SpaceX. B. JAXA and NASA. C. NASA and ISRO. D. NASA and ISHA. The answer is C. NASA and ISRO. Who has set a new record for the longest spacewalking time by a woman? A. Jessica Meir. B. Christina Koch. C. Svetlana. D. Sunita Williams. The answer is D. Sunita Williams. Who is honored with Lifetime Achievement Award at BCCI Naman Awards 2025? A. Gautam Gambhir. B. Virat Kohli. C. Shikhar Dhawan. D. Sachin Tendulkar. The answer is D. Sachin Tendulkar. Which country is going to host BRICS Summit 2025? A. India. B. China. C. Brazil. D. Russia. The answer is C. Brazil. Which country became the first African country to eliminate river blindness, also known as onchocerciasis? A. Niger. B. Angola. C. Sudan. D. Mali. The answer is A. Niger. Who is the present Director General of World Health Organization, WHO, 2025? A. Margaret Chan. B. Gilbert. C. Anders Nordstrom. D. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. The answer is D. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Riddhiman Saha recently announced his retirement. He belongs to which sport? A. Football. B. Volleyball. C. Cricket. D. Hockey. The answer is C. Cricket. Which peak is recently recognized as a legal person in New Zealand? A. Mount Taranaki. B. Mount Cook. C. Mount Tasman. D. Mount Tongariro. The answer is A. Mount Taranaki. Which state government has approved a pilot project in cultivating cannabis, ganja, aiming to harness in medicinal and industrial value? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. The answer is C. Himachal Pradesh. Who is recently elected as President of Argentina in 2025? A. Javier Milei. B. Nicolas Maduro. C. Gustavo Francisco Petro. D. Emmanuel Macron. The answer is A. Javier Milei. Recently, Zomato, popular food and grocery delivery platform, name is changed as A. Bundle Technologies. B. Eternal Limited. C. Bellatrix. D. 7-Eleven. The answer is B. Eternal Limited. Aero India Biennial Air Show and Aviation Exhibition 2025 held at A. Bengaluru. B. New Delhi. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. The answer is A. Bengaluru. According to the latest IATA report, which country holds the first position in domestic flight load rankings? A. United States. B. China. C. India. D. Russia. The answer is C. India. Madhya ke Tanshola National Park is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. The answer is A. Kerala. Which union minister launched Watershed Yatra recently? A. Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda. B. Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. C. Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari. D. Shri Manohar Lal. The answer is B. Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Recently, the name of Port William, which is situated in West Bengal, is changed as A. Ajay Durg. B. Vijay Durg. C. Shri Vijayapuram. D. Amar Durg. The answer is B. Vijay Durg. Which is the largest Hindu temple in southern hemisphere and it is located in which country? A. Prambananu Temple, Indonesia. B. Babs Sri Swaminarayan Hindu Mandir in Johannesburg, South Africa. C. Pashupatinath Temple in Kathmandu, Nepal. D. Sri Shiva Subramanya Temple, Fiji. The answer is B. Babs Sri Swaminarayan Hindu Mandir in Johannesburg, South Africa. India's first artificial intelligence university to be established in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Gujarat. D. New Delhi. The answer is A. Maharashtra. Recently Naveen Chawla died. He served as A. Chief Justice of India. B. Chief Election Commissioner. C. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. D. Chief of Armed Forces. The answer is B. Chief Election Commissioner. Who is new Prime Minister of Belgium? A. Gaston Brown. B. A.D. Rama. C. Ralph Gonsalves. D. Bart de Wever. The answer is D. Bart de Wever. Which country stood in first place in world's most powerful country in 2025 as per Forbes list? A. United Kingdom. B. Russia. C. China. D. United States of America. The answer is D. United States of America. Which country won under-19 Women T20 World Cup against South Africa? A. England. B. India. C. Australia. D. New Zealand. The answer is B. India. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share the video.